2021 GLC 300 key fob here. This is how you open it to replace the battery. Press and hold down this button that you have on the back of the remote. Remove the emergency key. Press and hold it down again, and we're going to slide this back panel off this way. Okay. Like that. See how it unclips? And once you have it off, we're going to remove this piece right here. This piece right here is what holds the battery. So get yourself a small flathead screwdriver. Put it in this crack right here and just give it a twist. You'll see how it starts coming out. Pull it out. We want to hold on to it like this. Here's the battery right here. We'll flip it over. You can just pull the battery out. Battery size is a CR2032 battery. When you get your new one, I'm going to put it in the holder with it facing down, the positive sign, all the writing. Flip it over again. It goes in the remote back just like this. Now if you need a battery, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can pick up a new battery if you need one. Get our cover, stick it on here, and we're just going to slide it back so it locks on like that. Emergency key goes back in. Whichever way it goes in. And you are all done.